Hey friends, today is a cleaning day for me, and I often wear my hat wig from the Hustle Wig. In case you haven't seen it, looks like that, on days when I'm just cleaning and, doing chores and all of that. But sometimes I'm really style challenged, sometimes my fingers don't work well, I have joint pain, and it's hard to put these braids in on my head. That's when this is a hat wig, this is a mannequin head. That's when a mannequin head can come in handy. You want to see? I'll show you. So this is so easy to do when you don't have to do it on your head. And just as an FYI, I do have 2 wigs from the Hustle Wig. So this is also one of their hat wigs in a custom color. I have a couple of reviews on YouTube showing their wigs if you want to go check them out. To me, they're absolutely invaluable, and I'm so grateful to have them in my wig wardrobe. So just doing simple braids works great on just one of these plastic mannequin heads that I got on Amazon. But if you're going to do something a little more complicated, or if you're just a little bit stronger with your styling, you might want to get one that you can set on a clamp and clamp it to the counter, or put it on a tripod. There's lots of options. But don't let being style challenged or joint issues or arthritis stop you from doing your hair. Wigs can be great for hair loss, but they can also be great when you can't style your hair and you can style it off your head. Just wanted to share that tip today. Hope you have a great day.